Ko te reihi tahi rau toru tekau maono ngā wāhine tekau mai ua tau me raro iho te pake ke taki o nori marau mita. This is heat 7 of 10. Aratua tahi Flaxmere College, Aratua rua Wellington High School, Rotorua Lakes High School kei te Aratua toru, Tuakau College, Te Kuiti High School, Horowhenua College, Te Kurakau Papa Māori o Wairarapa kei te Aratua whitu.
Good to see all of our waka all in line there. Tino tere te haki whero kia tū mai. Āta pāta tātu rātou. Tāri ana mo te haki kākāriki. Trying to get a rolling start. Engari, kei waho rā te Aratua whā, tino pai tō rātou timatanga. Hara ko Tuakau College te rā. Kei roto hoki nei te Aratua rua Wellington High School. Wellington High Hineako.
Tirito Ejo lining up, heading down the course to your turn. What are you doing as a steerer? What is your job? You think your job is?
Well, as a steerer, I try to keep my waka closer to the right side of the lane to ready myself for the turn, because you want to try to stay as wide as you can to get as close as you can on the flag and get as big of a gap between you and the exit boys coming out. So you can,
the right side of your lane, as much of the right side as you can.
Strategy is to turn early and come out early,
rather than overshooting the second half of your turn. Here we have lane 4, first in.
You can see her angling it in.
Ooh.
Kissing the boy out there in lane 4. Tuakau College.
Lane 1. Flaxmere College gaining on that turn.
However, you can see on lane 4 they were quite close to the exit boy. But in lane 1 they had a big gap. Engari kei waho rā pea, te Aratua whetū, te kura kaupapa Māori o Wairarapa. Tāhai ana tērā turunga tuatai.
Ooh, who has
Oi! Okay, mua nei te Aratua tahi, Flaxmere College.
Can they hold on to it though? Lane 7's gunning for it.
Let's see who's going to bring up that rate.
Come for a finish.
Oi, kei waho rā te Aratua o whetū, te kura kaupapa Māori o Wairarapa. Stolen the lead.
Sneaking up on the wrist. Oh, just lane 7, I think. Lane 1 possibly coming in second. And then lane 4, Tuakau College coming in third.
Ka tika me whakanui hoki tērā.
Oh, rawe, ko tiro mā te kura kaupapa Māori o Wairarapa. Ngau ana ngā pū kahu kahu. As we can see, look at lane 7 right off the start line. Almost a half a waka length behind everyone else.
However, it's all a matter of the turn, how good the turn goes. You can see in lane 4 there, they had a good turn on the flag. However, they did come out quite close to the exit buoy. But in here in lane 1 and out there in lane 7, had a big gap between them, which meant they could come out earlier.
Everyone paddling earlier.
Yeah, get that waka up and running. Oi, tino pātata nei. Only a ruler's length.
That was a tight one.
3 different leaders in that race.
Kia mōhio mai ngā whakaputanga tika nei kei live results. We are te rito i ngā tuere. Live results is where the official results are.
As someone always says, officially unofficial.
Here we go, te whānau. Te kura kaupapa Māori o Wairarapa, 3 minutes. Flags me Pāhara Keke, 3 minutes. Tuakau College, o Ruarangi, 3 minutes and 4 seconds.
Only fractions of a second difference there.